Hello, welcome to the stream. Sorry about the chaos this morning. We had some serious sound problems and we had to stop the stream. But we did publish the result on social media and it was a good result for us. So I thought I'd just do a quick live now just to keep account of everything. Yeah, we'll be back on the lives tomorrow anyway. But so what happened shortly after the chaos and even during it really was we got a setup where we in the pre-market we had a very large ramp up and we had a noticeable grab in liquidity at exactly 9:30. We got an indication of a reversal and we got an expansion candle down low. This was on the ES and also I took some on the NQ as well, which was showing a little bit more strength than the ES, but the same thing again. I thought this is going to be a good play down. I could see it defeating this fair value imbalance here. It hadn't quite done it on this candle, and this candle was a little reticent to put one measure in, but on this candle it was more reticent, and then it left an imbalance again on the way down, which it tapped into and went. Had it not have made this candle low, had it started going past this imbalance and basically inverting this imbalance, I probably would have clipped the trade as not showing the right kind of desire to go down and look for a better position somewhere higher. It took out, as you can see, the London high. It took out London, Asia, and the New York pre-market effectively right at the beginning. And it did show desire. It showed strength against a strong push up. So there was a strong push into it, very strong on both assets, but not quite as strong a push away, but a very determined push away. And I felt that it was changing its state in delivery. So right at the open. So I thought, okay, let's get in for an early entry and see if we can get an early reward and then scaled in a bit more on this, but we also had a little look on the ES. It happened so quickly I didn't even have time to measure the risk, and there was one ES contract on which I felt wasn't going to be enough, so I went in on NQ and put in some there. But yeah, for me it was very much a sign of, right, we've took liquidity and we're showing desire and determination to go down. And it carried on long after I'd gone out, but I cut it off here because we are operating on a fixed 2-hour policy. So after 2 hours, I took the trades off the table. I was a little bit disappointed actually, and I didn't get time to measure the risk because, you know, we're on a what is it, 35% with this funded seat. We're on a 35% consistency rule, and I'm afraid, even though on ES it was 68 ticks, don't sound like a lot, it is quite a lot for ES. And unfortunately, we broke our 35% consistency rule at this stage. Yeah, it's not good in that respect. It just means that the trial will go on longer, the eval will go on longer, sorry, until we've met the 35% consistency requirement. So it's a funded seat daily account, which gives us daily withdrawals once we're in the performance section. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this explanation. I wish the live stream wasn't interrupted by our technical chaos that we had. I think we've got on top of the problem now. It's just some OBS settings, and then tomorrow we'll do another trade, and that will finish off the week. Whether we win or lose tomorrow, the week is green, but like I say, we've got a bit of a problem with consistency now. We may have to risk a little bit more to have bigger winning days, because normally we go for a risk of about $150, $200 and make $300 to $400. But today we ended up with just over $1,000 worth of profit on this trade, which is way too much. But with the technical difficulties and the setup happening so quickly at the start, there was a little bit of fumbling around. I am still getting used to live streaming. That's my excuse anyway, and I'm sticking to it. But tomorrow I don't think these technical issues will be there. We'll get into it, get a nice smooth start. It's Friday. We'll see what news we've got coming up. Just before the 9:30, I think we'll start streaming from about 9:15. We'll go over the news, make sure we've got everything in place so that we aren't running around like headless chickens at the open. And yeah, we're ready for anything. So if you haven't already, give us a like and a subscribe. Glad to have you here at the start of things. I've been meaning to do this for a long time, but it didn't seem quite right doing it before it was ready. But I think we're ready with everything now, just about, apart from a couple of technical snags. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you agree. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for Friday's New York session, gents. All right.